$19.
It's a ghost story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She said, how much I charge?
Welcome to the social media countdown, Burritos. It's a Monday. Yeah, man, Monday evening. Hear the song? All right. Yeah. Come on, Burritos. Yeah. Anna. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. We can't play the song there because I know the Burritos that are watching. Uno don't cheat. Uno never cheat a day in a Uno life. Like, I don't know about other people and for them audience and for them fan base, but me can say point blank, not one of the Burritos them watching this right now has ever cheated. When me tell you, man, like, a people with decent, man, God-fearing, well-behaved, punctual, stick-to-itiveness, and them something there. I saw the Burritos them, they stay. Me know, man, you don't cheat. So, Alexa, we not play the song here, man. We not play the song here right now. Anyway, let's get into today's, I never said look at first part. Oh, again. Oh, yeah. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to the Monday edition of the social media countdown. I hope that you have a great weekend. When you can say, me, I feel a little bit better now, because my energy I come back, I'm just happy for giving you the topics. So let me not waste no more time. We have a lot of mix-up to get into.
The dirty or the berry or the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, tourist complaints. Me Caucasian. Alright, Burritos know so. Yeah, man, this video, man, it saw a tourist that is Caucasian that visited Jamaica, and while in Montego Bay, he was shocked, flabbergasted at the high prices of food. Take a look.
I'm in a grocery store in Montego Bay, Jamaica right now, and the prices here are absolutely crazy. Half a watermelon is $11? What? This tiny bag of Cheetos is $6. King size? This isn't even print size. $15 frickin' dollars for some green grapes? Are they filled with gold? This box of Frosted Flakes, $19. $19. $19. $4.40 for one red pepper? A Jack's Pizza, the crappiest, the worst frozen pizza of all time, is $7.50. How do Jamaicans afford to live in Jamaica? Crappy Chips Ahoy cookies for $8.50? Come on, bro. This might be the craziest one yet. $8.50 for just two paper towels? Local Jamaicans, help me out. Make it make sense. Why is everything so ridiculously expensive?
Yeah, you know, I definitely agree with him. Yeah, man. Food in Jamaica, it don't cheap. Very, very, very much, it's expensive. But let me just go tell you this, like, brother, your point still stands in about you in a man to go be one of the tourist area them. So, like, the food, it did go get the tourist tax on it, man, and them something there. But your point still stands, you know. But me I make you know, say, yeah, man, you probably could have gone to one wholesaler or something there, I get it a little cheaper and stuff. Your point still, say to me, Burritos, stands. Yeah, man, point still stands. So, you know, it's sad. It's actually quite sad because I keep on saying, like, if you are going out in Jamaica and you want to go to a restaurant now, just budget for have like $5,000, and that's at the lowest. If you want to go to a restaurant, go treat yourself for something like that. If for lunch, try have like a $2,500. Because most of them places, if you want to get a lunch about $1,500, like, me not even know how the parents will manage. Because if you send pick the guy to school, like, me know a $500 do it again. Because $500 can't even give a patty and a cocoa bread and a drinks. Jeez and P, man, I probably like, how much should I give? Parents, can you leave a comment down below and let me know what is the average school fee, Jamaican, not school fee, lunch money right now? Sound off in the comments. Hey Burritos, pausing for a bit, and let me just say we have a new sponsor for the Dutty Berry Show social media countdown, and guess it's who? It's Ding! Okay Burritos, so as mentioned, the Dutty Berry Show is partnering with Ding, the world's largest mobile top-up platform with over 9 million customers across 156 countries. But now Ding make me know so they are, you know, connecting with mobile provider Flow to spread awareness all over the globe and to show Jamaicans over the world that they can send support home to prepaid Flow phone numbers using Ding. Right now, Berrydos, for all of your Ding transactions, you will be getting 75% off. Yes, man. All you have to do is to just use this unique code for all of the Berrydos. Berry75, you get it? Berry75 for 75% off all of your transactions. So how do you get to indulge in all of this? Let me just go tell you. So the code is only valid for new Ding users on their first top-up. The code is valid for international senders, that is, someone sending credit from the US to Jamaica. The code is not valid for transactions where both the sender and the receiver are in Jamaica. You get it, Berrydos? So make sure enough for all of the Berrydos them who are in the United States, go and go top up your grandmother phone right now, go top up your loved one phone, go top up the matey phone, go top up the side chick phone. Do it right now. Oh Lord. Number 9, TikTokers in England. Alright, Berrydos now. So recently there was what you call it, an event, a party that happened in England where a couple local content creators, TikTokers, were invited, right? And so that had the likes of like, you know, Mackerel, you had Candy, Queenie was there as well. You have Cuz. Who else am I leaving? Oh, Daima Attitude, girl Daima herself was there, and several others were there to, I guess, just make sure that the space was enjoymentical, right? And afterwards, I guess this video has gone viral with Mackerel doing a post-event dance. Take a listen.
Come on. We don't read the rest of the night. We don't read the rest. We don't read the rest of the night. We don't read the rest of the night. We don't chat me them like the night. I saw me see the fireman body. I saw me see the man can't toddy. I saw me see the man.
Oh, okay. All right. You know, Mackerel, like, how do I say this? Because, hey, listen, I might say my bias, but Mackerel was being herself. It look weird. She might look like, I might say like all people that talk about she look like Roach and them something there when you try to spray it and them something here. Me can't understand how it look away. But you see, if you actually follow the people them, you will just realize, say, I feed them look a gimmicks thing and antics, like you can't carry them nowhere, I just saw them behave, and you have to just see it for them. You not gonna go on so when you go travel, but for them, it makes sense and them get a pass. And she not much different. I think one of the other TikTokers as well, Candy, did not go on with fear herself as well. Yeah, man, and all me have to say with she, you know, like, I think she do like, she's a streamer, like a live streamer or something there. And people that must share for OFR or whatever like that. But when we want to go big up, is fear need them. Because them need it, make out a vibranium. Because me I tell you, enough of the girl that be watch this right now couldn't do that. Could bend down, drop, touch toe, and get up back so with alacrity. Yeah, man, learn the word there. Alacrity. All right? So, Berrydos, let me know you're happy for the TikTokers in England. And do you believe that when we travel, we should also carry ourselves a little bit better, dignified, and demure? Or you think there's a space for us to just go and crabbe, brawling, and just go and very braggadocious? Sound off in the comments. Number 8, new Jamaican series, me HBO. Alright, Berrydos know. So, you know, a couple weeks ago, I did speak about the Oliver movie that was going to be debuted. That would. No, man, you see them something, you know? That's why you chat to the patwa. Anyway, you don't know off talk, you just go patwa. So, Oliver, they have a new show where they're going to come out. Yeah, man, they're going to go up on the airwaves, them, and who could have seen it, yeah. But now there's another series that is called Get Millie Black. Now, let me just give you the information according to the Jamaica Observer. So, the long-awaited series Get Millie Black, created by Jamaican novelist Marlon James, will be released via HBO on November 25. Oh, wow. So, that means that today, how much now? It out there? It out already? Today the 25? Today the 25th? Me never remember. So filming for the series began in 2022 and is set to feature at least 7 corporate era locations. Now let us go and take a look at the trailer.
This is just another story about Jamaica. Ghost story.
Then police go, ring the alarm.
I have to.
This is what we're talking about, man. Me like for sister Jamaican creatives are actually a part of it now and getting, you know, like some dinero and getting the type of support from, you know, Hollywood and them type of stuff there. Like, honestly, Marlon James, I definitely heard about it. And I actually have a few friends who are a part of the series as well. So I definitely need to go hurry up and go and watch it. And so I'm going to implore you, the Jamaican audience, to also give it a strength. Okay? Get Millie Black. Number 7, Pop the Proposal. Me? Woo! Woo! I never know which hand. Which finger you play. Remember? Yeah. Which finger? Which? No, it's not this. It's this. It's this. Ah, this one. Okay, well, I can't make it look so. But anyway, Box Cover Burritos. All right, so you know the Pop the Balloon series that is hosted by RolleySoEasy. Yeah, man, Troubling TV. Well, they in a twisted, very much more interesting type of irony. Like the brother who just like I show all of the devastation in the love life of regular Jamaicans and people abroad and in Canada and New York and all of these things. But in a personal life, the brother find love and very much secure. Because guess who not popping pan him? Him soon to be wife, Trish. Take a look.
Congrats to Rolley and Trish.
That is how me do it. You get me? You know, this is just really good, you know. Like, me just love them little something here. Like, the man just show the wreckage in the Jamaican people, them love life and the dating scene, while in a film personal life, everything very secure, everything lovey-dovey and harmonious. Me love them little something here. Because there is love in Jamaica, you know, and him and Trish them they for a long time, and they've been able to be like a little Jay-Z and Beyonce type of settings, where she have her entrepreneurship a go on with, him a film thing a bill, and them come together with two of them powers combined, and they are now their own version of Captain Planet. Can we say yeah? Yeah, man. That is that. So loving this for them, and just like, you know them should do? Rolley. So when you get married, make all of the groomsmen them and the bridesmaid them line up with them on a balloon. Do a whole pop the balloon in the middle of the wedding. Me I tell you, man, make them walk up there with them balloon. No make them carry no flowers. Too expensive. Make them go up there and walk with a balloon, and then when the groomsman them or whatever come now, the woman them pop and then them pick which them want to walk out the and walk down the aisle with. That you must do, man. Get your 10 bridesmaids and 10 groomsmen and make them pop the balloon and say who are gonna match with each other on your day. See that kind of find love while you in love. Okay? That is it. Alright, Burritos, just let me know. Are you happy for this very festive occasion? Sound off below. Number 6, Jeffrey new whip. Alright, Burritos, now let me just tell you this. You see, Jeffrey are just stunting the whole of 2024. He's just beating and teaching with each post. And so we saw him do a $1 million USD house tour some time ago, and you know that was quite good, and people like the little stuff them. And now he went car shopping, and people are walking away saying that he bought a Porsche. Take a look.
Man, this tough, man. This tough.
When you go in the car settings, see there, I should so.
See that? Is that Arabic?
Yeah, no, go here. When you drive.
This says the camera red. So this not dangerous though, you drop asleep around the wheel there?
Well, the car have
oh, it's not a sunroof, you just have the glass.
Fixed panorama. And then it have the chassis level where you can raise the car.
You can raise out the sun right now?
Yeah? Yeah, you can raise.
You want a seat raise right now?
Yeah.
Go on, look at the seat.
Yeah.
No, even though it's a good moment, I was supposed to congratulate him and all of these things. I never really go say him go buy it, but we walked away with the idea of say him go buy it because we are now having a perception that Jeffrey is just filthy rich and depend like a Michael Leaching level. And so if we see him go there and in our Porsche, our brains are now being trained to believe that of course him buy it. Like of course him buy it because clearly a $2 billion in his account. But we need to stop pocket watch people. The guy was just testing it out to just, see if him would have interested. And also, it's just good content for his channel. And clearly, we fast and like to see people do luxurious things. And so, yeah, man, it was definitely a vibe. And we saw him call him girlfriend and them look something there. And people are say, oh, him a run, him frightened over woman and go buy a car for woman and all of these things. But it's content, guys. It's content. Like, not take it that serious. It's content. He even had to make a post for a talk about like why he might be in a position to afford certain things and say like you and him father own restaurants and these things. But as I said, knowing Jay, you never know what real from what fake. So just take everything as content and beat up yourself and try to pocket watch the man life. All right? Number 5, Jeffrey and Ramesh. All right, burritos, now let me just go tell you this, man. You know, you must, cause this countdown is all about talking about your prices and knowing your worth. And who knows their worth is Ramesh. So recently, on Jeffrey's YouTube channel, he was having a conversation where he spoke about the fact that Ramesh of Ramesh Entertainment gave him a figure of 500,000 Jamaican dollars to do an interview with Jeffrey. Now, Jeffrey said him not have the money and him have to make it pass, but that is Ramesh's price. Take a look.
I will know, and I'm going to say Ramesh own my podcast because clearly, when me I do, I could do it for my own, or I could do it with my team, and it after somebody who is already successful help me to be successful. Now, granted, want to interview Ramesh, and Ramesh don't even want to give me an interview. Ramesh say, I charge me 500,000 for your interview. You understand? 500,000 which I don't have. And to be honest, but I don't think I've ever made 500,000 off any interview I've ever done.
All right, then, and then since then, Ramesh, he kind of touched on it online, and this is what he had to say.
Sometimes when on TikTok, when I have to give me money, go down to something, because remember, say Jeffrey can't pay me $500,000, but when can pay me for 5 minutes and the little talk when I give you. You understand? Because the little talk when I give you knowledge. You see a woman at the comment say, what we are paying for them there over TikTok, I give you free knowledge, see it? But now I send a little gift them and a little money gun them and told you know in the comment. You think I free promo this? You think I free promo this? I see him to tell. Alright, I see him to tell 3D after the other days in. The boy drive from Miami come line me up and I pay him. After I pay him, I come tell me say yo, post up and tag him. I say boy I want to know if you understand say yo, he's a promoter. If you want promotion off of my page, you have to give me free service. You get me I say?
Alright, initially I feel like Ramesh a joke. But then, it's kind of like a joke around thing because he's done on-stage interviews. He's done a couple different interviews, formal and informal. And I'm not thinking he did a walk around and charge each and every one. But I think it's more like two rich people and all them kind of just a joke with each other, even though it's kind of serious. But him like, well, if you have money, I buy $1 million USD. If you put out, say you buy, Ramesh is like, if you put out, say you buy a $1 million USD house, I mean, no buy no $1 million USD house, Jeffrey. Then put your money where you out. Then let me see if you really meet out. Because I'm me the king meat around here. It's in my name. My name is Rum Meech. Me drink rum and me rich. That is it. You see, it makes sense. And appear rum brand him work with. But telling him, man, everything is in the name. Don't watch my name though, Duttyberry. Me clean. But, you get me? That it's all in the name. So Ramesh is just like, me I go see who are the real meat around here. If you can't afford 500,000 Jamaican dollar, Jeffrey, then you're not Meech. You're not ready for Porsche yet. You're not there per mile. I think at the type of little tactic there, Ramesh play. But when they run rich people, you realize I saw them kind of, yeah, man. So you see the day when Jeffrey come and just say, yeah, man, I staff money, this $500,000. Ramesh probably are like, we never need this number just to do and know, say, You got it like that, man. So don't stop trying your Jeffrey. But let me know, Burritos, you think say Rami should out the order for giving Jeffrey the $500,000 figure. Sound off below.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
Number 4, lover tattoo. Oh my God, burritos. No, let me go tell you this. More I forgot here. Was this a tattoo or a tattoo? All right, no, yeah, man. So, you know, when you're in love sometimes, it make you do some crazy things for show how much you really care. So right there and then, this video was posted where this TikToker by the name of The Official posted this video with her man name slap cross her face tattoo. The man name cross her face. Take a look.
At The Official back face tattoo.
That is it. That's how you show say you love somebody. See the song when you love someone. I don't remember the song, but I know one song or something about when you love someone. This is how you show it. How me I gonna know say you love me if you're not ready for write my name across your cheeks. Woo! I never say next line, you say, but it are two out of that. If me I slap your cheeks, you must carry. Oh, all right. I forgot that this is a wholesome countdown. Jesus, people, you see the devil. The devil is a wholesome countdown. Ready? So yeah, man. So she put the man name on her face now, and right there, everybody on social media was just like, "What the box foot this?" Right? And it's not the type of box foot where people were falling for it. They were not Alicia Keys in. They were standing up because they recognized that this was a scam. It was a prank. Them see right through it because they just felt like, you know, some feel like that D wants some attention right now. And they were actually right. Turns out that D was just doing it to just provoke social media, ignite them, give them something, as what the angel said, give them something to talk about. Here's what she shared.
Don't know people. I don't have the words to say about people all the time, so I decided to give y'all what y'all wanted. Sorry, so many blood clots on me and fake sight, but I true me no bad. Yeah. Sorry, so me and never fake sight, so probably that would have gone further, but probably we'll do that next. Yeah, because when I up my store and the money that I make, I have to come with that next prank. They have to know, I'll come over here, I'm staying, I'm a little late, I do my little thing. When I start to me, I fall off. When I start to this, when I start to that, but what I understand is, I'm already famous, I'm already popular. So any little thing when me put my mind out and say, yo, me got this, it's gonna go viral.
Yeah, man, burritos know, but I don't really care that much about it. Like, I know they're doing their thing and she's an entrepreneur and people like her because of her personality. But aside from that now, them also know them as a toxic couple. They're like the Blueface and Krishan of Jamaica, where it's like back and forth and people have said this, but them still stick it through. Bad to bad, them rough it out. No letting go, no. We ain't want that. Yeah, I feel them relationship that. No matter how it a go on, you might have all kind of things to stay, them try to rough it out as best as possible. We not even know where going if them still there right now, but all me can say is that people saw through it and didn't fall feet. So try again with another one next time, yeah, D. Number 3, Jquan versus Drummy. Alright, burritos now, I don't know where I'm going with them artists here and them drummers, but it look like, say, them just cannot agree. I do not know if this is just an issue of miscommunication or not proper business-like etiquette. I don't know, but take a look and judge for yourself.
Fresh drop. Drummy refused to continue playing for Jquan.
Anyways, I'm going to say I ramp thing up your saying, Father, please, man, make a job of this. I'm top ramp with I want to the youth. Hey, Ochi, ready in the morning?
These new artists can't work on band and is always blaming the drummer. Y'all won't see the veteran artiste do this because they can perform.
But yeah, man, me not going to say about this. Me just stare at them artists here and the drummer them like, what one? And the drummer them alone, you can beef with? What exactly is going on? Because some time ago this happened with Baker, and it seems to be a trend, especially with the younger artists. So I think there needs to be a conversation on like how to actually work with the band, how to communicate when something goes wrong, and people for pivot and adjust necessarily. Because right now it don't look good. It just giving very much unprofessional on both ends. So artists wanna not deal with the band them. Please to work out a tactic when they're on stage and some go off. You be like, when I raise my hand, it means say, do it over. If I go so, that means say, pull it up from the top, like figure out some way how to fix things, because this don't look nice at all. Okay? Number 2, Rosealee versus Stefflon Don. Okay, my word. All right, readers, now let me go tell you this. So I reported on Rosealee last week, the last countdown, because she was featured on stage after she having her viral moment at Swisslee's birthday party. And now she is once again trending, this time for a little bit, some little baga reasons. And this has to do with some conversation regarding Stefflon Don. So if you don't know Stefflon Don is a big UK dancehall artist. What the music them have over there? Well, drill music and them type of something there. So she's quite popular over there, and she have her Jamaican roots and stuff. And remember, some time ago having that feud with Jada Kingdom, right? And Rosealee, if you don't know, said I was born to be free, cause I'm a old young Rosealee. That's him sing. Is that I can say anyway. So Rosealee now, she's a TikToker known for coming up with various slangs and coining different terms, and people know her for arguing and them like something then I get joke and etc. Right? So that is the backstory. So now Rosealee now posted a video. Well, I guess she was on live now, and she decided to tell our audience that somebody from Mr. Stefflon Don camp reached out to her for go host some event at Red Bull, and she give them a prize and them never like it. Take a listen.
She want me to go they might keep something at stadium, one sound clash. So when she said she want to keep one sound clash, part of it live, one sound clash at stadium, she said Stefflon Don over there Jamaica. And them want me come host it. She said, how much you charge? I go say $2,000 US. The woman say, not even cartel not get that for dot plate. Kiss me baby with it. I said $2,000 US. Stacey and kiss me baby tank, you know. I go say $2,000 US. She said that cartel not charge that for dog plate.
Oh wow. Yeah man. So Rosealee said she give them the 2,000 USD price, and the people them go tell her say that I'm not even cartel, I get that. And me understand if nobody come tell me that, me that vex to come here and talk about myself, why I mention somebody else, me understand the part there. And Rosealee went off about Stefflon and nobody, and she can't pull no crowd. And oh, Stefflon Don, if she got far, and the people them go rave for she and them no business about Stefflon Don, and them look at something there, and fair price and all of these things.
One go call me skittle and I go use me like me don't know what my worth. One yeah. Me know what my worth. Alright about now. I must have told me not live now and I don't have much. People friend for me more than Stefflon Don. Cause I know I go abroad at any story show and say which summer, which holiday I be hey in a crowd. I say where the Rosealee fan them there? I know a big girl I say hey. Them only be known in England.
I have something to say right now about the entire situation. You see, because, hold on, let me just take a little second, Jesus. Not that I need to promote them, but you see, because I was at the Red Bull premiere, me actually know a little something about the event. So Red Bull, in Jamaica, they are having, on November the 2nd, they are having something called a culture clash. So they have this, they have this clash where they bring on different celebrities, entertainers, different people, and they have their different teams, and they're supposed to clash each other. It's a sound clash, right? And so one of the teams them has, I think there's a team that's supposed to be representing like the UK, and I think they have Stefflon Don as a part of their team. Baby Sham have a team, and DJ Mac. They are part of another team, about 4 different teams, right? I don't think they approach Rosealee to host the event.
What you never did call cartel?
Because no disrespect to Rosealee, when these corporate people are having conversations, she's not coming up top of mind to host the entire Red Bull culture clash. Them probably gonna go for the Bada Blings, some of the ZJ Zip Jocks. There are a plethora of other candidates that are going to be there. I honestly feel like Rosealee is either was not communicated to her properly or she misunderstood. What I think happened, they went to her to be a gimmick, to be a plug, to do a dub.
$2,000 US now.
And maybe they wanted her to do a live dub. You know, like when they come on now and she say, you know, so a Rosealee representing for TheDuttyBerryShow with summer, which holiday? And she said it and the crowd go real up and then she come off.
$2,000 US now.
That's how me think them need. I honestly don't think them are gonna have Rosealee up there be like, hey guys, welcome to the 3rd International Red Bull Culture Clash. And today here with me to vote for 444. No, I'm gonna think of that, but it somehow got lost in translation. Rosealee, the people they want you for a gimmick, for the prop on the stage, for us go up there and probably say, Ray, which summer, which holiday, no time, no girl, and then that is the time you come off. Because it's a sound clash and them always want them like a bite there. I don't hear the amount of money where the people them did say them are gonna give you. Me only hear say you say $2,000 and them say no. So I don't know if them did okay with $1,500, if them never give you $1,000. But bear in mind, whatever it is, me not think about it, they're gonna give you like 10,000 Jamaican dollar. I don't think it is. So I have more information. And when I go to the show, I gotta ask Stefflon Don for let me know what exactly went wrong. But me want to say something to the TikTokers them and for the people them who are jumping up into the industry. It is very fine to know your worth, but you have to value yourself accordingly to what you are doing. So if you're making a party appearance as a TikToker, you can, when you're charging yourself for the first time, you might be like, all right then, me cannot charge myself greater than Rosealee and Rebel as somebody who you know prove yourself say you can sell out a stage yet. So you see, when you have your first thing to say, yo, you want to ask for this, you have to find out and say how much money Rebel I get and them people, they will actually prove themselves, will say, if them are there after 3, them guarantee 10,000 people will show up. If you not measure that for yourself yet, you can't go out and want to come outdo Rebel and Rosealee price as an appearance. The next thing now, have you ever hosted before? If somebody ever put you in a one lane where you not have no experience, I do that now. So all of the people they want you for go host Rising Stars. No matter how you think you are the best thing on TikTok or wherever, do you have any actual experience in hosting? If the answer is 0 or little, you cannot charge up yourself when you not prove yourself and have a whole track record for sure say you're capable of performing and executing the task. You take the job and almost put it as you build up resume, you build up portfolio, so that when other people see it now, them can say, oh, she actually is competent at this now. No, me can give her the figure what she asked for because no, me and sister she put in the work and she's actually able to host a show for 3 hours without being problematic and can be professional. But at them something I don't know and no miss. And every time when I go on social media, because other people are looking. And most of the time, the sponsors them, where only think of giving the big budget because I only carry on and behave. Only not gonna get that more than the fish fry and the round robin people them and the people them want carry a club in England. Only not gonna necessarily attract the Grace and the Lasco and the Digicel and the Flow and those type of things because I only carry on yourself. I want to understand the business. Someone will not check email or think say everything a friend and company. No. And I saw it go somewhere, I beg they sit them not because you don't have influence on social media on TikTok, means it's influence in a real life. Not because you have 10,000 people on your live, means that people actually look at you as a source of authority in any discipline. You have to know say you're a gimmick. And while the people them look on you, they might look on you like they might watch a reality TV. Or they might look on you as a train wreck. So nobody thinks that the audience where you might have pulled actually I'm going to look on you and say, you know, so I'm going to make you come host my wedding. Or I'm going to make you come teach my pitney. No, you are there supposed to be kiki. That is it. So just be careful how you sometimes want to disrespect people who are also in the space and know the industry. That is all me have to say. But yeah, know your worth, but just know, say, if you in our industry, you can keep your worth for 10 years and realize you're not getting the bookings and you're not getting an opportunity, then you have to realize that maybe you are the problem. Because sometimes a lot of content creators and upcoming influencers, they self-sabotage them own self. Because they know so they're not comfortable. They know sometimes they're not capable of carrying out the task. So what them do is to sometimes make it so difficult for somebody to book them because they fear that when they put in that position, they know enough themselves, they're not able to execute. That is it on my TED Talk. Sorry for talking this long, but who do you need to know? And number one goes to... Oh. Dating Season Remix! Woo! Woo, 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 woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Dating Season Remix, no burritos. If you don't live on that rock, you might not know Shenseea did have one song, quite controversial, that is called Dating Season, where say, me, I date two people at the same time. Sing it with me. Just waiting, man. You see that the burritos them don't know. Come and tell you the burritos them not date two people at the same time. I'm telling you, you know, Uno de Pan Gaza Slim from 2009. One man who said, don't it? Tell him I know the ladies them in a watch it. Watch all mummy. God man. One man mummy mind for all long. Jesus Christ man. 15 pit with the one baby father. Lord of but tell us how the burritos them stay man. The burritos them don't know nothing. The burritos them can count on one finger. Ah well, I not do that too no, okay. We have hot girls, some of them no something. I not do that no, because I'm kind of OD now, but one of them must exist. So that Dating Season song that Shenseea has went viral and it's a doing thing. And it has reached a point now where people are now spoofing the song. And so, me I forgot to play this Dating Season spoof. Check it out.
Me I cook for two customers the same time. Just weighing my option. Put the curry in the pot even before the aisle. Might end up in some problems, but me I never know chef, me just a cook by law. So if your belly run, you can go back to your yard. Bossy tell me say me can do what I want. So I know nothing if you no yam the food raw. I know for your restaurant, you can't give me no talk. Me will cook a curry, you make your boss be a fat. Me just in the kitchen and I play my part. You know want ya me food, then go back to your yard. Me know say this might sound crazy. When you just name a one young junk baby, stop. Wait a second, me not fi explain, me not no obligation. If you want, then go down at the station. Me have couple more chancro in a rotation. All type of cooking me a mix, then I get the check. Me a cook pat 2 and 2 chancro leg. If you want, you can eat it with bread, or you want me fry up garlic egg.
Oh God, that was quite clever. Like him basically do the video about himself as a chef when I really know how to cook, and he's just a complete mess and a poison of the people. Them and I give them running belly and him not really care. You get me? And I like it. And it's always a testament when your song do good, when people start to make parodies and spoof it and stuff, because you know you integrate yourself in the pop culture. So this social media person goes by the name of You're Lucky, so you can go follow him and stuff, and hopefully he continues to do more spoofs, because this one was quite hilarious. So that is it in our readers now. Like that's it for the number one topic, the Dating Season Remix. Okay, so now we've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. Make sure say you like, you share, you comment, you subscribe, all of these different things. You share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah man, thank you for the 300,000 subscribers. Keep on going. Take your mother phone and your grandmother phone and your grandfather phone and subscribe to the Dutty Berry Show YouTube channel. Big up all of the TikTok burritos them as well, because while me I talk to Uno, they are currently on the live. I watch me. Okay, so if you want to watch the lives on TikTok while me I shoot, just go and follow me over there in particular, right? Don't forget to, what else? Follow me on all my social media platforms at Dutty Berry Show on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time. Tata. Oh yeah, and go sign up for them. Sign up for them right now. Check out the link in the description and use the Dutty Berry code Berry75 right there. Go and go look for it right now. Okay? Yeah man, that is it. Peace out.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.